One of the key aspects in any software company's business is handling renewals and really getting good visibility into how your customers are actually making use of the licenses that you sold them, say, a year ago. And so the way Zentitle can be that renewals team best friend is acting as an early warning indicator. So for example, let's say you sold a customer, 100 concurrent seats of something. And by looking at their usage over time, over the last 6 months, for the last 12 months, here in this particular scenario, you can see that they started out well and almost used the full capacity that they had purchased. But over time, the usage has waned. And so that's a really good early warning indicator that, hey, you may have trouble when you're actually looking to renew the account. Are they actually going to renew at all? Are they going to renew at a lower number of seats? And so forth. So having good visibility upfront way ahead of the time of the renewal is critically important. On the flip side, you may well identify customers that are making additional use. So perhaps you've got some overdraft licenses that you've enabled for their account. So they're actually going above their licensed amount. And so again, being able to know that and being able to look back at that historically for the last 12 months is great input into a renewal conversation to say, hey, it looks like you're making great use of the software, you're above capacity, that's great. And so let's do a renewal at 120 licenses or 150 licenses or what have you. Similarly, what you would really love to see is brand new accounts. So maybe this is the first year, they've not really known kind of what the amount is of licenses that they should be buying. So maybe this number is relatively small, 20 seats to begin with or what have you. But you're seeing good consistent growth over time against the account. So you're knowing that you're getting better penetration into the account, more and more use, more and more time, more and more value from that software. And again, this gives you the ability to have a fact-based conversation with that customer in order to get them to a higher level of seats for that renewal. The other aspect of all of this kind of information is if you choose to enable it, you can provide these exact same visualizations to your end customers through our end user portal so they can look at their own analysis and see, yeah, we are growing to exceed our number of purchased licenses, and so we should start to budget for a higher tier for the next time. So Zentitle and renewals, their best friend in terms of really being armed with information about usage, waxing, waning, and being able to take that into account into that renewal conversation.